Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file MSME return. First, we'll cover what MSME Form 1 is and why it's crucial for businesses. Then, we'll help you determine if your company is required to submit this half-yearly return. Finally, we'll review the legal framework that ensures micro and small enterprises receive timely payments, protecting their financial health. This guide will simplify the process for you. Any company, whether public or private, that has outstanding payments to micro or small enterprise suppliers exceeding 45 days is mandated to file MSME Form 1. This requirement is critical for compliance. It's essential to verify that your suppliers are indeed registered under the MSME Act, 2006, as this determines the applicability of the form. This ensures transparency in financial dealings and supports small businesses. To file MSME Form 1, begin by visiting the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal and downloading the correct form. Next, accurately fill in your company's corporate identification number, permanent account number, and detailed information about your MSME suppliers, including outstanding amounts and reasons for any delays. After carefully reviewing all entries, digitally sign the form with an authorized signatory certificate and submit it online. Remember to download and save your acknowledgement receipt for future reference. When filing, avoid common pitfalls like entering incorrect Aadhaar or PAN details, which can cause significant delays or rejections. Always double-check these numbers for accuracy. Also, ensure your turnover and investment data are precise, referencing audited financials to prevent misclassification and ensure eligibility for benefits. Lastly, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. For a great way to do that, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals. Accurate filing helps you avoid penalties and ensures smooth compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.